Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by installing a trusted voice changer app and granting microphone permission. This ensures the app can capture clean audio. Once done, open the app and pick a preset that matches your goal: robot, deep, chipmunk, or custom. Make a short 10-20 second test recording to evaluate clarity and latency. This quick sample reveals background noise or clipping. If levels are too low, move closer to the mic or adjust input gain in-app, so your real recordings start from a solid baseline. Next, you'll fine-tune the effect parameters. Adjust pitch, formant, reverb, and EQ so the altered voice sounds intentional rather than broken. Use the real-time preview if present to hear changes immediately. This saves time and helps you catch odd artifacts. Make a longer sample and a /B it with the original to confirm intelligibility and character. If you like the result, save it as a custom preset. Make sure to note whether you used high quality or low latency mode, because that affects export size and sync. To finish, export your processed file in the format and bitrate you need: WAV for maximum fidelity, AAC or MP3 for smaller size. Share via AirDrop files or direct upload to social apps. Make sure audio syncs with video by testing a short clip. If you encounter buzzing, clipping, or latency, lower the input gain, close background audio apps, switch sample rates, or enable the app's noise reduction. If real-time mode stutters, switch to offline processing and re-export for a clean result.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.